Imagine a machine that could have transformed human history, but was lost for centuries. Imagine technology so advanced, it seemed impossible for its time, yet it existed, and then vanished. Today, we'll uncover forgotten inventions that could have changed the world far sooner than they did. In 1901, divers off the coast of Antikythera, Greece, stumbled upon something extraordinary. A strange lump of bronze covered in gears. For decades, it baffled scientists, but slowly they realized this was no ordinary artifact. It was a computer, built over 2,000 years ago. This device could track the sun, moon, and eclipses with incredible accuracy. It predicted celestial events, something we wouldn't replicate for over a millennium. What if this technology had spread? Navigation, science, even the Industrial Revolution could have begun centuries earlier. In 1938, near Baghdad, archaeologists found a jar, copper cylinder, and iron rod. It didn't look like much until someone suggested it was a battery. And when recreated, it worked. If ancient civilizations had mastered electricity, how different would our timeline look? Wars, conquests, and the fragility of knowledge. When civilizations fell, their greatest secrets often died with them, only to be rediscovered centuries later, as if history was giving us a second chance. Innovation isn't just about the future. It's also buried in our past. What other lost technologies are still waiting to be found?